Hello WordPress peoples, in this video we are going to talk about what's new in FlyingPress. So I'm gonna go to changelog and the latest version is 5.4.0. So in new they have added language support for German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Polish, Korean, Turkish, Dutch, Czech, Arabic, Japanese and Chinese traditional. So yeah, I have already installed the version 5.4.0 and yeah, previously FlyingPress UI was available in English language only. Now it is available in this many languages. So let's try to change the language of my site. So I will go to general and first we will see the German language. So this is in general. I will go and select German language. So now everything is in German. If I refresh this, you will see the plugin UI in German language. As you can see, this is all in German language. Also these texts are also in German, and if we go over here in plugins, these are also, these texts are also in German language. So everything in German. Now let's try to see my favorite Korean language. So if we select Korean, let's find Korean language first.
A few moments later.
Here is the Korean language. So now everything is Korean. So it is looking like this. Now one of the language is Arabic as well. So that is an RTL language. So let's try to choose Arabic language. So now everything is RTL. So FlyingPress also should be in RTL. So this is how it looks in Arabic. So that's the RTL language. Now let's change the language to Japanese. I don't know which one is Japanese, but let's select this. So it supports Japanese and Chinese as well. So this is one of the, this is Chinese. So I think this Chinese is not supported. Let's select another one. Chinese traditional. Yeah, it supports Chinese traditional. I think this is not that. Let's select this. Okay. Yeah, this Chinese traditional is now uh, so now FlyingPress is translated to that Chinese language. Yeah, it's hard to understand which language is that. So basically, yeah, these are the languages in which you will be able to see the plugin UI. So this is what new in FlyingPress. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.